Did you know one man rode horseback 10,000 miles through impossible terrain just to prove a point? In the 1920s, Emmett Chifley was crossing the Andes Mountains in a raging blizzard where even cars couldn't survive, but he wasn't turning back. He was determined to prove South American horses were the world's finest. His plan? Ride from Argentina to Washington, D.C. through 3 years of pure hell. No GPS, no backup, no safety net. Just him and 2 horses named Mancha and Gato. They survived jaguar attacks in steaming jungles, crossed scorching deserts without water, and fought off armed bandits. When his horses stumbled, he walked. When he collapsed, they carried him. They became more than companions, they became brothers in survival. For over 1,000 days, he pushed through hostile territory that had killed countless others. When he finally reached Washington, D.C., the world took notice. One bold decision had changed everything. Sometimes the impossible just needs someone crazy enough to try.